So yeah, I'm fresh out of work. As y'all can see, got the Mustang back. Man. So I'm finna show y'all how the Mustang look after finally getting it back from the shop. I want to kind of disclose the shop that had my vehicle. I don't think it should be a problem with disclosing. Oh yeah, I just had her wrapped in bold, man. She looked that good, man. I got her wrapped in bold for sure. I got her wrapped in bold, baby. I really don't even want to take all this off. I ain't gonna lie, I really don't. But I definitely want to show y'all the area. I definitely want to show y'all this top. So if y'all know the last video, another thing, the dent that was in the hood is gone. So she back good up top. And all the damage I had on the door that was keyed up, gone. There's no keyed up marks on my door at all. Man, I mean the paint gloss, like I can see myself in the paint. Like, yeah. New trim. It was keyed everywhere, bro. Like everywhere over here was keyed up. It was even keyed up on my trunk, which they tackled that. So when it comes to this top, man, God working mysterious ways, man. That's all I'm gonna say. God working mysterious ways. Man. So I got a brand new top on a car that I done had like 2 years now. And that was like really one of the biggest issues that I had with this vehicle when I bought it. And I have owned a convertible top vehicle before. So this is not my first convertible Mustang. This is actually my second. But the first one that I had was like more or less like a newer vehicle. So the top I had on this vehicle, which it being a 2015, it was already, when I bought it, kind of like fading, a little ashy, if not. And what the shop did when I bought it, it's like they kind of finessed me. So they washed the car. And if you know anything about these tops, when they're wet, they gloss. So with it being old, I mean, when like with the top being old from before, when I bought the car, they had washed it. So when I came to pick the car up, it had like a gloss look to it. So it didn't look ashy or faded or anything like that. And like by the time I made it home, I was like, maybe I'm gonna get it touched up. And I never did get it. I never did get the top touched up or looked at or anything. I just, drove it for my pleasure, things like that. But man, you can't lie, you can't deny, like, and say, man, that top don't look good. But I feel like I got a brand new car right now, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, I feel like I got a brand new car, man. I ain't gonna lie. I know I want to go get these rims repainted. I might just put some new rims on here just to switch it up a little bit. I don't know, man. I might throw some rims on here, man. I might take the black off and buy some more all black wheels. I've been looking at some wheels already, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. I just gotta stay tuned. But I know the next thing I am gonna do to the Mustang. The next thing I'm gonna do is change out my stereo. I don't want to put an aftermarket radio in there, but I'm gonna be honest. I kind of don't like my aftermarket. I don't like the factory radio that's in my car. And for one reason is my GPS system doesn't work, or it's missing something. I think it's like a SIM card or some type of device to, like, I guess, pick up the satellites for the GPS navigation. That doesn't work in my vehicle. Everything else works, like my backup camera, all that works. But I think I could put a new radio in my vehicle, like the Apple CarPlay, and I think I'll be better off doing that than trying to get that to work and take it to Ford and do all that stuff. Because when you dealing with car, what is it, like a memory card or something for this factory radio, I don't know where I probably would have to go to find it. So I probably would just contact Ford and let them deal with it. But I feel like I would take a cheaper route by just changing out my whole stereo, adding more speakers to it, because I do want my vehicle to be a little bit louder. Like this summer, I ain't gonna lie, man, I'm coming this summer, like I'm popping out, man. I got the brand new top, like, oh my God, I just don't even, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't wanna do too much, bro. I don't even wanna do too much, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna do too much, but man, come on, bro. Oh, that thing lock. But yeah, man, they did a good job, bro. I ain't gonna lie. They did a good job. I give them that. They did a good job, man. They did a good job, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. I can't help but just keep out there just going over this one spot. Cause if y'all seen the last video, bro, I was hurt, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I was hurt. I was slick hurt, bro. Cause I had this car parked over there where that cutlass is. No, in between. I take it back. I had it parked in between. So I was hurt, bro. Like, just imagine coming home and you come home and you find your convertible top cut. Like, come on, bro. I was destroyed, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, if y'all been watching my live streams, but y'all know, bro, like I work all day, bro. I work hard too at that. Like, I ain't just making no easy money where I just can sit around and, thousand here, doing this, doing that. No, bro, like I get up every morning, bro. I bust my ass, bro. So, like, for the stuff that I be wanting, like this bike right here, bro, like, ain't none of this stuff out here you not just finna get this from just sitting around, bro. RT, I mean, it ain't no scat pack, but it ain't cheap either. I mean, go look up the value right now of a goddamn, we'll just say a 70,000 miles on the RT. You still finna pay about $10,000. Bro, come on, bro. Ain't no car out here but my old schools, I would say, just need work and you know what I'm saying, some maintenance. We all know this car right here runs. I done drove this car on multiple lives, multiple videos. This car, I'm turning it into a race car, so don't do too much on my cutlass over in the cut. But another thing too about that cutlass, which if y'all been watching the videos, y'all would know, this the car I did my garage build on. This car interior is better than this car by far. I mean, it's damn near like brand new interior in that car. So, I mean, it is what it is. But back to the Mustang, bro. I don't want to get sidetracked. Back to the Mustang. All I'm saying is, it hurted me a lot, bro, to come home and find my car sliced and diced like a pizza. But at the end of the day, man, she back. I mean, she better than ever. Like, I ain't gonna lie, she's better than ever right now. Like, man, she better than ever. They even fixed, and I don't want to do too much by bringing this up, but the little part I had over here, I had like a big little boo-boo over here. They kind of, I don't know, you can kind of see the gap, I guess, you can kind of see the gap a little bit in the back bumper. Like, you can see that gap, but as far as like the paint and everything else, like, it's not bad to the eye. At first, if y'all go back and look at the video I had at first, man, it was like kind of like poking out. And mind you, somebody rear-ended me in this vehicle a couple months ago. So outside of getting hit, then somebody come and slice my car up. So it was like back to back, bro. I was taking L's with this vehicle, bro. So at this point right now, by me getting my car back, I mean, it looks damn good. I ain't gonna lie, I can't hold y'all, bro. It looks damn good. That's why I got it like bow tie. Cause right now they told me when I got the car back that I gotta actually let 2 weeks go by before I can let my roof down. So, you know, I mean, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not even finna drive this car, bro. If I can't let my roof down, bro, like, I ain't gonna lie. Like, it's already getting warm. It's getting warm outside. I mean, the roof is ready to drop, bro. Like, but nah, I gotta wait. I gotta wait one more week. I gotta wait one more week to actually let the roof down. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna wait my one more week, and then after that, I'm gonna start back driving it. But until then, I'm gonna keep it car covered because I just want to be extra. I want to be extra. Nah, but I do want to make sure at least this time around though that I try to keep that top on that car. Like I'm gonna try to keep it clean. And I actually got the information from the people who actually put it on. How to like maintenance the roof, and then the same people who replace my top on this Mustang, they're actually gonna do this quarter top. I haven't got a quote from them yet. But we have spoke about it already. I just haven't got any numbers back, but definitely the same people who replaced the Mustang convertible top is gonna be doing my quarter top. So that's that on that. And yeah, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I can't wait. I ain't gonna care. I can't wait to replace this quarter top on this car. It's gonna make this car look way better again, and then that way I can just paint it. But that's another reason why I've been waiting on just trying to